All right, welcome to CTE, Temecula Valley School District. We're bringing you some new curriculum here at Bella Vista. You're going to be exploring some careers, all kinds of different careers. We've got 18 things for you to look at, so let's take a peek at what we have. The first unit is Intro to Health Sciences. You can see on the table here you have several different things related to supporting people in the health sciences, and you get an A to Z look at how people in health sciences do what they do and how you would support your patients in that. Okay, so therapy, clinical, nursing, and device support for your patients. Next is sports medicine. If you're interested in dealing with sports injuries, you want to be an athletic trainer, physical therapist, or other related sports injury information, you're looking at the different common injuries and how to treat them. Next is a pneumatics station. You're seeing what's called a trainer, and with that trainer you learn about how air works and what things you can do with pressurized air, like for example the rides that they control at Disneyland or the other theme parks, and robotics that are run through air and other things. Next is materials processing and design. If you want to be a maker, you want to make things, this is where you do it. You use all kinds of different materials and their properties and learn about those, and you actually are creating things in that station. Next is our flight and drone station. You're going to be learning how to create a rocket, launch it, not create a drone, but fly a drone, program a drone, and design that drone flight pattern to do what you would like it to do. Alright, our next station is a popular one, emergency and fire management services. Are you interested in public service as a career? This one is focused on the fire department, but it covers things you would use in police and military as well as paramedics. So there are two what we call trainers again on this one, and they teach you how to do CPR and use an AED. Alternative energy, this is a big one for today's world. You are learning all about wind, solar, and fuel cells in this, and you are building and creating and using those forms of energy to operate things. Criminalistics, this is your focus on law enforcement. You're doing it from a forensics science side, so you're using the microscope to study crime scenes and solve the crime. Okay, another popular one, digital manufacturing, using the 3D printer, using what we call a CAD software, which is computer-aided drafting, and creating things, designing them, and then printing them out. Alright, design and marketing is next. If you're artistic and you want to learn to use that ability to sell your products, this is design and marketing, and you're doing things artistically as well as with fashion design. Next up is structural engineering. If you love your math and you love building things and you want to create something of your own using that math and test it out to make the strongest thing, this is this unit for you. You're building bridges. You have a crusher that you don't see here that you'll be crushing to analyze your bridge and improve on. Computer graphics and game development, just like it sounds, you are creating video games. You're going to be doing that in the Unity hub to create your video games. So you'll learn to create a real video game using one of the top video game development pieces of software that's out there today. Alright, next up is environment and ecology. You're learning about soil science, plants, and where they're living. You're learning about the pollution and how it affects our ecology, our ecosystems that we're in. So if you're interested in nature and how things work with our modern world, this is a great station for you. Video production, you're using top-of-the-line equipment, including an iPad and some top-of-the-line software and lighting and green screens to create actual movies. Alright, dentistry is up next, so we're getting into our health sciences, guys. Keep in mind what you're going to see here, all the stuff. This is what the actual people, like first is dentistry. Some of the things you see here are what actual dentists are trained on to learn to become a dentist. So these are great stepping stone unit modules for you guys interested in your health sciences. Remember, we also had the Intro to Health Sciences. These are the more specific versions if you have a focus area you want to go into. Okay, so starting with dentistry, Okay, so you'll be learning to create things for your teeth, models, molds, and working with tools to recreate or repair teeth. Next up, veterinary. This is a very popular one. You're working with the animals. There's simulations and tools for the animals. You're drawing blood from the animals. You're giving CPR to the animals, so you're learning a lot in this one also. That is always a popular one. Alright, next is Biomedical Engineering, doing things like repairing a damaged skull. You will be fixing the cranium and creating a piece to patch the cranium. You'll be creating a cast. You'll be using different materials to solve things and make or use and learn about prosthetics, and stents and nursing. If you are interested in being a nurse, this is going to take you deeper than some of the other ones into exactly what a nurse would do. Taking vital signs, learning what they mean. Stitches, making and performing stitches. Drawing blood, a different form from veterinary, so you're doing it a few different ways here. So this is a great one for you guys interested in going further, learning about nursing. Maybe that's an interest for you. Hope you saw something that looks interesting to you. There's lots of options. You'll be rotating through different stations. You won't have the opportunity to go to all, so you'll want to think about which ones are you most interested in. There you have the modules for Bella Vista 2022 Career Explorations. What are your top favorite modules?